Hey guys, welcome to question MM410 of the Maths Methods Fortify study guide. So we've got this question that says a pro BMX rider can land 3/4 of his jumps on a particular track. If he attempts 4 jumps, what is the probability that he lands more than 2 of these jumps? Alright, awesome. So, first things first is to recognize what kind of probability we're dealing with. Well, because he has a particular probability to land any given jump, and each one of these jumps is independent of whether he lands another jump, and each jump has a success or a failure. These are all the signs that tell us that we're dealing with binomial distribution probability. Okay, so binomial. Now, binomial is quite annoying to do without a calculator, but we're going to have to do it this time because this is the question that we're given. So, we know that we're looking for the probability that x is greater than 2, where x is the number of jumps that he lands, okay? So we're looking for the probability that he lands 3 of the jumps, and the probability that he lands 4 of the jumps, all right? So this is the formula that we're going to have to use in order to find these out. Now, the binomial distribution formula tells us that probability of x equals ncx to the times p to the x times 1 minus p to the n minus x. Now, n is our number of attempts or number of jumps, which in this case is 4. So we get 4cx, which in this case is 3. So we're going to do these separately. We're just doing this one first, and then we're going to add this one. 4c3, where p is our probability of landing the jump, right? So in this case, our p is 3 on 4, okay, because he lands 3/4 of his jumps. Now, continuing on with this, we get our to the power of x, which in this case is 3, times 1 minus p, so 1/4, to the power of n minus x, so 4 minus 3, which is 1, right? And that's it for this. So then we're adding so that's done. This bit is that, and then we're going to do our x equals 4 next. So n is still 4, 4c4, because our x value is 4, times p, which is 3 on 4, to the power of x, which is 4, multiplied by 1 minus p, so 1/4, to the power of n minus x, so 4 minus 4, which is 0. Awesome. This is our first mark. Now, second mark, 4c3 is equal to 4. 3 on 4 to the power of 3 is 3 cubed, which is 27, over 4 cubed, which is 64, times 1 in 4, plus 4c4 is 1, so whenever these are the same, you just get a 1. 3 to the power of 4 is 81, and 4 to the power of 4 is 256. 1 on 4 to the power of 0 is just 1. Adding all these together, we get 27 over 64 plus 81 over 256. So what this works out to is 189 on 256. And that is our second and final mark for MM410, guys. If you have any issues with it, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll endeavor to answer questions as quickly as possible. But that's it. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.